Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Tumelo Letswalo, and I'm the founder and the manager of Moja Gardening. So now what Moja Gardening is it's a gardening company. Now the services that we provide are basic garden services like your mowing, your trimming, your garden maintenance, your garden refurbishments. We sell compost, we sell plants, we provide lawn, and we also install lawn, and we can also trim your trees, and we also do a little bit of tree felling. And the reason that I started this whole thing is that I just love creation, man. I love moving from a 0 to a 1, and then a 1 to a 10, and then 10 to 100. And now you can reach us on our social media. That's on Facebook and on Instagram and even on Twitter at Moja Gardening. And then you can also call us on 067 780 7444. My name is Tumelo Letswalo, and I am a township entrepreneur.